Hey everyone! If you're trying to get your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 connected to your phone, but getting stuck, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to get it synced to your Wi-Fi in just a couple of minutes. Let's jump right into it. First, we need to force the vacuum into pairing mode by resetting its internal Wi-Fi. Go ahead and press and hold both the power button and the home button together at the same time. Hold them down for a few seconds until you hear a voice prompt or see the lights flash.
Resetting the Wi-Fi connection and entering network configuration mode.
Now open up the Xiaomi Home app on your phone. Because we just reset it, the app will automatically scan and should show a new nearby devices pop-up box at the bottom. If the device shows up there, simply tap on it to get started. If it doesn't show up automatically, don't worry. Just tap on Add Device. The next page will show you visual instructions on how to reset the device. Since we've already done that, you can bypass this screen by just tapping Device Reset at the bottom. If you haven't enabled location settings on your phone yet, the app will ask for it right here. Go ahead and enable location access so the app can communicate with the vacuum. Once that is done, the app will start to scan for your device, and a moment later, the Wi-Fi setup page will open. From here, select your 2.4 GHz home Wi-Fi network from the list. Make sure it's the 2.4 GHz band, as smart vacuums don't support 5 GHz. Type in your home Wi-Fi password carefully and hit Next.
Connecting to the network. Please wait.
Place your phone close to the robot vacuum and let the percentage ring load up all the way to 100%.
Connected successfully.
Once you see Connected Successfully on your screen, you are good to go. Pick the room the vacuum belongs to, name your new robot helper, and you are ready to start mapping your house. If you've already connected this device before and are just setting it up again, the app is smart enough to automatically load all the previous maps you had stored. You won't lose your boundaries or rooms. If this video saved you a massive headache, please hit that like button so other Xiaomi S10 owners can find this fix easily. If you got stuck on a specific step or are seeing an error, drop a comment down below with your exact error message, and I'll do my absolute best to help you out. Subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.